Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. I'm really excited for this video because it is the beginning of all baking Halloween. So I kind of wanted to dedicate a whole video to doing a Halloween cake like I did last year. Last year I just made like a general Halloween cake, nothing specifically themed or anything like that. And I'm also going to be doing a Halloween cake compilation video this year, which I have been working on that for a while now. I still have a little bit to go. Today I wanted to dedicate a whole cake decorating video to a Halloween themed cake of my choice, and this year I decided to go for a Halloween unicorn cake. I've made so many unicorn cakes in the past, and I was actually gonna make a video on my channel back in the summer and springtime of just a unicorn cake, like a whole video dedicated towards it. But I never got around to that, so I thought this would be the perfect time to do a Halloween version since I've actually never made that before. Last night I just made this set of like a black unicorn horn and then the ears. I made it ahead of time just so that the ears would dry. It's really better to make this stuff a few days ahead of time, but for the purpose of this video, one day drying time will be perfectly fine. The very first thing that you want to do for this cake is make those horns and ears. Oh, I'm gonna put the footage of that in now. So now that the base layer is done on the outside of the cake, I think I'm actually gonna go in with my airbrush and kind of just intensify some portions of it to make it look more Halloween-y, if that makes any sense, just more gruesome and gross kind of thing. I want this unicorn to still be cute, but I also want it to be like a Halloween gross factor of it. So my cake is finally done, my first Halloween cake of the year, and I'm just really excited for Halloween this year. Let me know down in the comments if there's any specific Halloween cakes you guys do want to see, because I might try and incorporate some of them into my cake compilation that I haven't finished filming yet. Also have a Halloween cookie video that I'm probably going to be putting that one out on Halloween day itself. Other than that, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.